Welcome everybody. In this simple video, I'm going to give you a trick to do certain kind of mental arithmetic, and it's going to be very useful whenever you're trying to get the square of two-digit number that has 5 as the last digit. Okay, so basically I'm talking about an example like that. 25 times 25, maybe 85 times 85. The trick is that okay, first of all, the trick is you need to memorize that such a multiplication must give you 5 as the last two digits. It's always true all time. And then secondly, you have to look at the first digit of the number. For example, like the first example, the first digit is 2. And the way to do it is you increase 2 by 1. So you get 3 here. Basically increase it by 1. And now you try to do a simple multiplication of 3 times 2. Obviously it is 6. And then you plug in 6 to make it the first digit of the number on the right side. So now you get the fact that the answer must be 625 here. So now can you tell me how to do 85 square? And the way to do it is very similar. You increase it by 1, which is 9. You keep it 8 here. So you multiply 9 times 8, you get 72, which basically means that the first two numbers must be 72. And please don't forget that the first trick I talk about is that the last two digits must be 25 anyway. So basically means that the answer now is 7,225. So please try to play it within yourself a little bit here. The fact is that it actually applies to bigger numbers. For example, if you're doing 125 times 125, do you still remember the trick I just told you? The last two digits must be 25 anyway. So how to get the remaining digits? The way to do it, you look at the numbers without looking at the 5. It is 12. So now basically I'm talking about the fact that you need to do such a multiplication. 13 times 12 here. You get the answer that is 156. So you put it back, which means it must be 156 here. So the answer is the following. You can verify it by calculator pretty easily. And so now you can just go home, show it off to your parents, show it off to your classmates and so on if they didn't know this trick. So anyway, it's just a simple trick for you to play around in the topic of mental arithmetics. That's the end of this video. Thank you everybody.